Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the step of how you can instantly deposit funds from your bank account over to your crypto.com. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, tap on transfer in the top right corner. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, so then you have to tap on deposit, and once again there's a drop down menu, so then you have to tap on fiat money, which is right at the bottom. Since we are depositing funds, so then you have to select it as USD dollar, so then just tap on it. So right on this page there's an instruction, so make sure to go through it. Here it sees that, so before you initiate a deposit and access the fund instantly, you must have done all of these following. As mentioned, that you have to link your bank account first of all, and after that you have to initiate a deposit, and once you're done initiating a deposit, then on the last step you have deposit settle. Right at the bottom you also have a detailed information, you can go through it, and once you're done, tap on deposit now. And once you're on this page, what you need to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that you've already linked a bank account. As you can see, in my case I've already linked a bank account, and in case you haven't linked a bank account, then all you have to do is just tap on add a bank account right over here, and after that you have to provide some information, and then you'll be able to link a bank account to your crypto.com. And once you're done selecting the bank account, you also have to enter the amount that you want to deposit, and after that you have to tap on deposit, which is right at the bottom. And once you do that, next interface there's a confirmation, so make sure to double check all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. So now you've successfully deposited fund. So that is how you can instantly deposit fund from your bank account over to your crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.